Konnichiwa minasan! Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, Kurafto-chan. Today, we're gonna be making an origami. As you can see, this origami can also be used as a bookmark. So, if you're ready, get your origami papers and let's do it together. Okay, for this project, I decided that I'll use color pink. You have to fold your paper in the middle and make a crease. I think I really need my squeegee for this project. There you go. Once you folded it, open it again and fold it in half again. First, fold the first part into half. And then do the same thing at the other side. There you go. Now, we're gonna fold it again in half. Make these two sides come together and make a crease in the middle. Then open it again. Then fold the bottom part into half again and make a crease. Open it up. Fold it in the middle. And then make these two sides meet together and make a crease again. At this point, we're just making creases so that it's gonna be easier for us to fold our origami later on. Put your finger in here as a guide so that it's easier for you to fold it. Follow the line and make a small triangular section. Do it on the other side. Make sure to make a very good crease. Open it up again, and this will serve as our guide for folding later on. Fold the outer layer to the middle part while guiding your hand and following the crease that we made a while ago. See that little triangle that we made? It made it a lot easier now. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now we are gonna make the hands of our bear. We're gonna fold. Be sure to be straight. We're gonna do it on the other side. Folding a straight line, but leaving a little bit of space at the bottom. That's gonna be our hands. Make a small triangular fold each side. For our hands to look better. Now we have to flip this on the other side. We're going to start doing the head of our bear. We just finished the body, as you can see. Now this is gonna be the head. Unfold it like what I did. And just fold it so that the sides of your paper is meeting the other sides. And just guide your hand all the way through. This is where the creases that we made helps a lot. Make things done easier. Just fold it right like this way. After this, we're gonna have to make it a face on the other side again. Fold it this way on both sides. Then we're gonna have to fold it into halves again, making a really nice crease on there. Do it on the other side. Let us unfold it now and make a triangular fold on the corners of our paper. Open it and fold it all. Then we're gonna have to fold it inside out. Because of those creases, it's gonna be easier for us to do it so. We're gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. Just fold in and follow the crease. Okay, so now we're gonna have to make the ears of our bear. You're gonna fold it, but you're gonna fold it a little bit more from the middle, maybe around half a centimeter or maybe 1/4 of a centimeter. For small creases, I like using my toothpick, so it's gonna be a lot easier make a triangular crease in the middle. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So from the fold, we're gonna pull it a little bit more, just a little bit more to the outside, and then we're gonna form a small fold. Shapes on it, so we're gonna make small folds the size all depends to you. You can make it more rounder if you want, or you can just cut it using a scissor if you want. Then we're gonna have to shape the face as well. Do the same thing. You can fold it, put a little triangle in there, or you can use a scissor to cut it. If you don't want the folds to be showing, you can just put glue on them. You can use any type of glue, paper glue, glue gun, so that they don't move at all. Now this is our finished product. Now I'm gonna ask my daughter to draw some eyes and nose on it because she loves drawing. So you can ask your daughters or your kids to help you with this project. I often do this just to have fun with my kids. There you go. Kawaii kumachan deshita. Thank you for watching and hoping to see you again next time. Bye-bye.